Look who's back. My old hose nozzle. You hear the squeak? Yeah. Not doing too well. I had a thought. I don't know if it's going to work. And we're not going to find out in this video. I don't know when we will, if we will. But it's real stiff, and I mean, it works, but it's just pretty awful. So previously I had sprayed this with WD-40 silicone spray, and that certainly worked. But I had an idea, because this thing still leaks, and we already had played with the O-rings, and I really didn't have the right size O-rings in that. But I got to thinking, and I said, you know, I got that stuff. And you're saying, what stuff? What? Super Lube silicone grease. Now, this is the stuff that they say is meant for use on rubber. It's safe to use on rubber and stuff like that, and everything is good. And then I put it on SUNROOF on the Big 6, and the whole thing jammed the fuck up. XJ81X fixed that with his silicone stuff. What the difference is, I don't know. Nobody ever found out. Nobody could tell us. I'm sorry about the dirty hands. I've been working outside all day. But I thought, since it swelled that rubber, which it's not supposed to do, since anytime I put it on the pool fittings where there's O-rings and stuff, it fucks those up and swells them up. Why don't we put it on here and have it swell these up a little bit, and maybe it'll seal a little better. Might also ruin it, at which point I can get rid of it, because it's past its prime, you know what I mean? But let's get a nice little dollop of daisy here. We'll put it on the threads. We're just going to put like too much everywhere. And we'll go around the guy here, and we'll just jab it on in there. It'll figure itself out. We're just going to like load this thing with all of the grease that I got. Whatever is really too much excess, is there too much? I don't know. That hole is plugged with grease. Oh well, it'll figure itself out. The water ought to blast it out. That's the idea anyway. But let's see, does it work any better, at least as a... we got to run it a couple times, because of course my hand is all greasy. I'll run it this way. Oh yeah. No more squeakity squeak, and because it's grease it should stay instead of the silicone spray. So it should stay all nice and disgustingly greasy like that. That's good. I don't know. It's kind of bothering me that the one is plugged with grease, but again, the water should force that out. I guess we could go put some water through it, you know. That's kind of a pain in the ass. I gotta get in the bushes and turn. Okay, I guess so. Close that up, and we'll see if it works any worse. I know it didn't do anything as far as the O-rings go right now. Will it in time? I don't know. It takes maybe a month or something. Will there be a follow-up video? I'll forget. Well, it's a good thing I sprayed all that bird crap off, because there's new ones. Straight. That's great. So we'll screw this back on the hose. That's off. Turn the thing on. Get some water in there. Yeah, so it didn't fix it. I kind of knew that. Yeah, it's just pissing right out. So that's good. But it sure works a lot better than it did. So that's nice. So, yeah. The question is, how long is too long with this hose nozzle? Is there such a thing? When one of the O-rings totally fails, is that like, you know, should we call that the end of it? Because I don't know. It still works. Oh, it actually squeaked still. Yeah, there's still a little squeaky. Okay, I don't know why. It's squeaky and leaky. So that's good. So I don't know what we proved or didn't prove here. I think nothing either way. I'll leave the bird shit for next time. Anyway, that's all I got. Kind of just like wrapping up. I'm outside, kind of. I want to do things here and stuff, and I'm kind of done. If you didn't see the previous video or next video, here's a preview. Part of this tree is missing now in the middle, so that's cool. I did that. So there'll be a link in the prescription, I guess. And that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.